All right, welcome to day number 33. And we took one win today, but before that, I'll quickly walk you through my bias. So we have this opening gap, which we didn't have it touched at the time. We touched it, and I was waiting for bearish price action after that. We also had this nice 12-hour order block. There was this daily fair value gap, but we went down there first. Then that led us to the move up to the gap, respect the 12-hour order block, and then we sold off. The 4-hour was also bearish. As you can see, there's this order block that we touched and then we sold off. The 1-hour was bullish at the time because we had this candle close above this high right here. And the 15-minute was also bullish. But I was not looking too long because before New York open, there was NFP, which was the cause for this move up. And we were also close to the target that would make me bearish afterwards. So I let time pass by. We get this 5-minute shift right here, and we have a touch on this fair value gap. So here I was just looking for reasons to be bearish. We have this touch. We have this 1-minute low getting short-term low getting broken, and that leads us to this low getting broken here as well. So as soon as this gets broken, this is also a 5-minute candle getting broken, the low getting broken on the 5-minute. Right here. Soon as that gets broken, I started looking for shorts. But still, this was not enough for me to just short it because I didn't want to short this because there was this fair value gap right here. And if I would have put it my stop loss right here, it would have been a longer stop loss, longer movement, and the risk to reward was not really there. So I decided to wait, and I said, okay, I want to see a touch of this order block. I want to see wick through, and I want to see the next candle fully engulf it and close below this previous order block, I guess you could call it. So I waited for that, and I've put my entry there. I've put my stop above this high and my TP at the London lows, which was somewhere around here. I waited for that, and I'm not even joking. I've put the order. Hold on. I've put the order. Soon as this candle closes, I get the fill on the position tool, so it showed like this, but I didn't get filled on the exchange. So I assumed that there was a little bit of lag of orders going through because this literally happened in 1 second or less. So I assumed there was some lag going on, and it didn't fail me because this was really quick. So candle open, it went there and then sold off, and that made me, a little bit impatient and pissed. So what I did was, okay, I want to be I'll be aggressive. I want to see this fair value gap hold, and I want to short this right here on this 1 minute, and I'll put my stop loss there. And my TP goes here, which gave me a 2.02 risk to reward. Actually, the stop loss was a little bit below. And yeah, something like that. And you can see that I risk 187. And if I put 3 units, I'll risk around 280. So that's way above my 1R, which is maximum 250. So I decided, okay, I'm going to just go with 2, whatever. I don't want to risk too much. I'm fine with the 2. So let's do 2. Then I get this push up, and I'm thinking, yeah, this is probably going to go to my stop loss because I was thinking of something like this, then visit on this fair value gap again, and then sold lower. It didn't end up happening, but I was punished by jumping the gun here. When in fact, although this hit TP, and sure, it is a win, still the execution was not really that great, and I need to improve on that. When in fact, what I should have done is be more patient, because there's always another trade to take. Even if I missed it again, I could have just called it today and start again next week. When in fact, what I should have done, again, is wait for this break of structure right here. Wait for this to be broken on this candle. See that this is an order block. Put my entry here. I usually take the last one because I want to get a really good entry. My stop loss above this wick, and then my TP on the same place. This gives me better risk to reward, 2.73. I could risk more because now I'm risking 211 and it's under 250. Make more profit, get a better entry with less pain because now I don't have to see it go to almost my stop loss, then go lower, then go back to my entry, go into a little bit of drawdown, wait again for the reaction on this 1 minute order block, and only then we sell off. I could have gone through less pain, I could have had a better risk to reward, and I could have had more profit if I was just patient enough on those 5-minute closes. So I'm gonna journal this. I'm gonna end the video here because that's all I gotta say. I need to have better executions. Basically, I need to be more patient even when I get front run on previous trades. I need to get this mindset of I'm gonna get front run the rest of the day if my first trade gets front run, because I always think that when that happens, I always think that I'll get front run for the rest of the day and I won't get any trades. So one thing to note, one thing to journal, one thing to improve. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next Monday.